Hello art lovers, welcome back to another art video. I'm Japneet and you're watching by Peacock Arts. Today is the part 2 of art collaboration with very talented Natalia. She is a digital artist and we have chosen the art prompt Autumn. She has already done her digital painting on this theme. I'm giving the link to her channel and the video in the description. You can go and check her amazing work. And now it's my time to make some autumn painting. And I'll be using watercolors to paint a beautiful autumn landscape. So without wasting any time, let's jump into today's painting. So for today's painting, I'm going to use colors by Brustro. And I'll be using a warm color palette in which we use the shades of yellow, red, browns and orange. So here I'm drawing out the landscape. Since autumn season is going on, so we decided to take this as an art prompt. And autumn is also my favorite season because I just love the colors of fall. So I'm going to start with the background first and I'll be creating mountains. I have taken a violet tone from the palette. This is the first time I'm using this cake set by Brustro and I really found it useful. You can see there are so many shades that you can use directly from the color palette and you don't need to mix any colors because there are already so many colors you can choose from. So I'm using cadmium yellow for the base of the tree. And make sure your surface is wet and you just have to drop the paint on it in your desired shape and the color will spread on its own because the surface is wet. So the first step of the painting is that we need to prepare our base coat. So for the base coat we just place the color in its place. And after the base layer dries, we go over it again with the second layer and giving it more depths and details. Since this is an autumn painting, so we are painting the tree yellow because during the fall the leaves turn yellow and orange. Here I am pasting the end result in the corner so that you can take it as a reference and guide. I recommend that you use a reference photo if you are painting for the first time or you are a beginner, because understanding of shadows and light is really important. And this is not my first attempt on the autumn landscape. To achieve this effect, I have tried like 3-4 times and I was not happy with the result. You can check all my paintings of autumn on my Instagram. I'll be sharing in the description. And I was happy with this result, so I wanted to share it with you all. And I really hope this video is helpful to you. Here I'm going to start with my next layer, and I let the base coat dry completely, and then I am moving over it again with the next layer. And again I'll be using wet on wet technique. I'll wet the surface with water and I'll be letting the paint spill on its own. So wherever I find puddles of water, I just use my dry mop brush to pick up the water. We just want our paper to be moist and we don't want puddle of water. So we'll be using more darker tones in the next layer, and until we get the desired results, we'll keep layering it up. For the tree, I'm going to use a little darker tone. I'm using yellow ochre because we are giving depth in the tree leaves. I'm going to add some more brighter tone. I'm adding red to the yellow ochre to get this darker and bright tone. I let the tree leaves dry and then I'll move with further detailing. Here I'm adding shadow with blue color, and I'm also using blue mixed with violet, and to get a purple violet color you can mix red with Persian blue if you don't have directly in your color palette. You can create that color. So now I'm adding some more details. If you are liking this video, you can hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more art videos like this. I paint in watercolors, gouaches and acrylics. So if you have any queries related to art, you can mention in the comments and I'll get back to you with the solution videos. And you can also check me on Facebook and Instagram for daily painting ideas. And I have also created a beautiful collection of painting ideas on Pinterest. That link is also given in description. Do check out my accounts on other social media. And here we are done with the painting. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time with something new and interesting. Till then, keep painting.